How long am I going to continue like this? All the places I applied for work, none has called me. Nkechi has been the one sustaining us all this while. I can't go on like this.
I want to talk to you.
Kitty, please, I'm not in the mood for any talk now. Can't it wait later?
Whether you did the mood or you know did the mood, waiting I want to be say I get belly.
What did you say?
I say I get belly. I go down maternity where they Village Square because I be know they feel well. As I reach there, the nurse where they there tell me make I do pregnancy test. As I do and finish, they can't tell me say I get belly. See the result.
Are you sure you heard what the woman told you?
Hey, Osi, no insult me, oh. No insult me, oh. I give you result, I no go look result, you can't insult me.
Get belly.
You go want me.
Sorry, I forgot. Wait. You get belly.
That's the talk like say I no go fit get belly. I get belly.
Let me package this one well, because this is still important. Very, very, very important. Come here now. Hi, Mama. Mama, I thought she was lying to me until she gave me the result. Mama, that's the result. Nene, I gave money name. Hey, can this way? Mama, look at it. Just try and read.
She's pregnant.
Yes. I'm still very surprised. Yeah? Hi, I'm still very surprised. Yes, Mama.
Hey,
hey.
So my grandchildren are two coming on the way. Hey,
Mama, but there's a problem. The problem now is that I don't even have any money with me, so I don't even know how to take care of them.
God will provide. But did you know that all this while you would have gotten another job? It is charity. Also,
Mama, the truth is that charity is not the issue. She needs me by her side because of her prayer, her condition.
I'm a child because she needs you by her side. Okay. Also,
Well, finally, I thank God for everything.
I thank God.
Hey!
Oh, why he had the car? Again, the way him no one able to cool then. Okay, so why?
So Nkechi is pregnant, and Osita refused to tell me. Could it be that he's playing a fast one on me? No. They were actually singing. They were singing. not possible.
What is it? Eh? Are you okay?
Just leave me alone. In fact, leave this room.
Why are you doing like this? Eh? What's happening?
I mean it when I say, don't touch me, don't come close to me. In fact, you're very, very wicked. You're wicked, Osita. I don't want to see you. Get out from here.
Please talk to me. What is the problem? I don't like what you're just doing. Eh? Please, stop this now. Stop this. Yeah?
You don't make my life better. I'm gonna love you forever. Jesus, I love you. You do well, I thank you. You don't make me carry the level. I'm gonna thank you forever. You be Baba. Jesus, I love you. You do well, I thank you. You don't make me carry the level. I'm gonna thank you forever. You be Baba. Jesus, I love you. You do well, I thank you. You don't make me carry belly. I gotta thank you forever. You be love, Jesus, I love you. Eh? You do well, I thank you.
Charles, what is the problem?
Is it true she's pregnant?
Who?
Don't pretend you don't know what I'm talking about.
Oh. If it's Nkechi you're talking about, then the answer is yes.
Then why are you hiding it from me?
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yes.
Why is it that anything that has to do with her is hidden from me? You don't like to tell me anything that has to do with her. Why?
What exactly are you talking about? Is she not my wife?
She's your wife. Your very beloved wife. But each time I ask you anything that has to do with Nkechi, you will not tell me. You will not answer me, oh.
Charity, I don't like what you're saying. I don't even understand what you're saying. Stop this.
When I leave my room, go to her. Leave my room, Osita, leave my room. Go and meet her, she's your wife. Leave my room.
Stop this. Stop this, please. Somebody called me.
Yes, so how are you?
No, who's got to go?
Yes, my dear. I want to ask you, is Charity aware of Nkechi's condition? That she's pregnant?
Yes.
Do you notice her changes this time? her countenance just changed like that.
About what?
Don't tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. Huh?
That should be Nkechi. That should be Nkechi.
Carry me go hospital.
Chineke, what is it?
I don't know. I just dey here dey sweep. My belly begin turn. Before I know, blood begin come out.
Hey!
Hospital, carry me go hospital. I don't want come out my belly.
Oh, you don't go come out.
I don't make my belly come out. My belly. I don't make my belly come out. Ah! Hey! Hey! My belly. My belly. Hey! My belly.
How is she?
She lost it.
Who lost it?
The baby is gone.
Nkechi lost the pregnancy. Where is she?
Doctor said she needs bed rest.
Hey. Chineke mo akpụkpọkwa nụ maka tiela ọkụkọ aka ibe m. Sugar.
Elizabeth.
Oh, you know.
Eliza.
I know you're the one to be calling me like this. Elizabeth. Upper Queen, Cambo. Queen Eliza.
Hey, how is everybody?
Everybody is fine, no.
I heard that Nkechi is in the hospital. Is she sick?
She had miscarriage.
Hey. Was she pregnant?
Oh, you're not her pregnant on with miscarriage. She was pregnant.
Hi. It's a pity. Oh. The problem is that Nkechi overlabors herself. Eh? She should take it easy. Oh. Hey, miscarriage. Where is Osita?
Osita went to meet her in the hospital.
Osokweje hospital? Oh, okay. When he comes back, tell him that I was here.
No, he will hear.
Hi. Miscarriage.
Miscarriage,
oh.
Send my regards to them.
Hey, miscarriage.
On our miscarriage. Kachi.
What happened to you? What really happened to you? Tell me.
Mama, it's Michael.
What?
It's Mike.
Your husband? You mean Mike has been beating you? And you never wanted to tell me even for a day?
Mama, I don't know. My husband has changed. Mama, Mike beats me up all the time.
Mike beats you up all the time and you've been keeping quiet without telling me.
Mama, I don't know how to tell you. How am I going to tell my mother that my husband beats me up?
No!
He beats me up all the time and his people are happy about it.
No, this is not ordinary. I cannot sit down and watch my daughter to suffer this kind of problem. Not when I'm still alive. No! No! Not when I'm still alive.
Kachi? Where's Kachi?
Well, I don't know. I think she went out.
She went out? By this time of the night? Where did she go?
Well, she didn't tell me where she was going to this morning when she was leaving. I don't know where she must have gone.
Wait, she left here since morning?
Yes.
Kachi left this house since morning?
Yes.
Kachi's trying me.
When you're supporting her in everything she does, now you are reaping the fruit of your labor. Nonsense.
Kashi, is he still calling you?
No, I switched off my phone.
Better. Go inside, go inside.
My in-law.
You're welcome.
Good day. Is Kachi in?
How can you just walk in here and start asking me about Kachi? Kachi your wife?
Kachi left home since yesterday. I've been calling her, she's not picking her calls. And the next thing, she switched her phone off.
Mike, what are you trying to say?
Mama, please stop pretending. I know Kachi is here. Kindly tell her to come out here and follow me. He gets why, yo. He gets why.
You know what happened? If anything should happen to Kachi, I will hold you responsible.
The next side of
do you hear me?
Don't even come close to me. Don't even come close to me.
I have told you.
She's not coming home.
Anything should happen to her.
She's not coming home.
You know the kind of person I am.
He gets why.
Out.
He gets why.
Let anything happen to her. Alright. Come in here to ask after your wife.
Hey, Kagodi, let me not see her.
Aron apoy. Can chon mama cho. E baron apoy.
Osta.
Mama. You called me.
Oh, what is this?
Blow up now.
Okay.
You don't know it again? Hey, my son, I want us to talk.
Mama, is there anything the matter?
I want us to have a discussion.
Okay.
This your staying idle is giving me concern. I want you to go out there and look for something doing. You can go get another job. At least you can get another job to start helping yourself. It's not good to be to just stay one place.
Mama, I will get a job. But I want Charity to put to bed first. Before anything. She needs me now. She needs me by her side. I don't want what's happened to Nkechi to happen to her.
She needs you by her side.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, Sita.
And I'm here. I'm here. Are you okay?
What are you doing here?
If I told you to stay with me.
It's okay, I'm coming now, okay? Oh?
Come now.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, let's go inside the room.
No, I want to go to the front.
Okay, hang on.
Take it easy now, my waist is paining me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're supposed to be smooshing it, not holding me like that.
Sorry, I'm doing that.
You are still holding it strong. Just smoosh it like this.
Okay.
No, you are still smooshing it. Just do it softly.
Softly. Or the motor. Just like this, eh?
Yes.
One kind of. Let's be going.
Hey, akwa ọjà akwụkwọ n'ibe ekpegoro ibe m. Come here. Let's go now. There is no time.
Mama, I don't want to go there with you.
Why?
My spirit does not accept it.
Kachi,
Mama.
why are you toying with your life? I am assuring you that everything is going to be okay. Let's go.
Mama, I don't want to go there. You can go on my behalf. I believe it will still work.
I don't know why you are afraid. I don't know why you are so afraid.
Mama, I'm not afraid. I don't want to go with you.
Okay, if you say so, let me go. While you stay behind. But take care of yourself. And stop crying, okay?
The wicked will not go unpunished. If we matter no did you receive and as you can
I came 2 days ago to sympathize with you over what happened to your wife, Nkechi.
My mother told me.
Oh, that's fine. So how is she now?
She's getting better.
Thank God, though. I came to see you and your mother concerning the issue of sharing our family land so that...
Oh, Uncle, I've told you I don't want to discuss anything about that land with you again.
Hey, you should have allowed me to die before you bury me.
Allow him to finish.
So I have decided that the land will be shared accordingly.
What do you mean by accordingly?
What I meant by that is that the land will be shared into 2. Osita will take 1. My brother and I will take the remaining 1.
That's not
what are we talking? What are you talking now?
About? There's nothing like peace in a family.
Oh, that is my second name. You know, I'm a man of peace. It's just that some people take the gentleness of a tiger to be cowardice.
Hey, Uncle, so when are we sharing the land?
Oh, tomorrow morning. Oh, are you not going to be chanced?
No, first thing tomorrow morning.
Okabula. Okabula.
Now you're talking. Come.
Kachi? Where are you? I'm back. You're still crying. Huh?
You're still crying?
Mama, so quick.
Yes. I was the 3rd person the man attended to.
What did the prophet say?
Wonder shall never end.
Do you know what the prophet said? The prophet said that your mother-in-law is the architect of your husband's change of attitude.
My mother-in-law?
Yes! She charmed your husband. Also, the intention was to bring another woman into that house.
God forbid. I reject it.
Amen.
Mike is my husband and he still remains my husband.
Amen. Bam. Don't cry.
Mama, I'm not going to leave Mike. I'm not leaving Mike.
Don't cry. Solution has come. You know what? He said you should use a little quantity of it. You put it inside his water whenever he wants to take his bath.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Okay, Mama.
Very little. Then this one, you put it inside his food when he wants to give him food.
Okay, Mama. Mama, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I don't want to leave my husband.
No, you will not leave your husband. You know what? You will go in there, prepare yourself now, so that you start going back immediately. Did you hear me? Stop crying. Don't be afraid. Nothing is going to happen. What was it like? You will never succeed. You have been exposed. Man, your job.
Mama, what do you think about Uncle Idoko's visit this morning?
My son, I'm even surprised as well. Maybe his brother talked to him. That was why he had a change of heart.
Mama, I think you're right, because Uncle Idoko that I know will not have a change of mind on this kind of issue.
Oh, yeah. But in your own case, you have to call Arinze. Talk with him.
Mama, I'll call him. I think my mind is a bit released now.
Thank God.
Hey, Mama. I have in mind of selling one of our plots. My own plot. So I can use the money to start off my own business.
Okay. Your idea is a very good one, my son. Very, very good.
I had him know. At least I use it and start my own business.
Hey, Mama, I don't go.
Get it. Where are you going to?
Business.
Business. No. You need to rest.
Mama, I don't get all the rest what I need. You see me, I don't gallant. I don't go business.
Nkechi, please, you need to rest.
Yes.
You need more rest, please.
I don't know what they talk. I don't go my business, so.
Nkechi. Keep dear be Gabicon.
Hey, Mwabuba Jaffa.
Hey.
Jaffa.
Oh.
You see, Charity. When Charity puts to bed, I have to talk to her. Talk sense into her so that she will emulate this girl. Oya obialo bibi, oya even. Obialo buba the horse. Never. She should stop lazing around.
Mama, Charity is not lazy.
She's a lazy girl.
She's not lazy.
She is. You always support evil. She's not lazy.
Mama cannot support it.
You support everything in this house. Whatever she does is good for you.
What's the play game? Don't waste my time.
Sure, let me teach you how to play this game, eh? I'm the master of this game, eh?
You don't even know anything.
I'll so deal with two of you.
Okay, Mzokwe.
Nebu Monya.
Ibu
this guy.
Play game now.
Hey! Hey!
Walia.
See one picture.
Kanyegia. Chile, boy.
Big two.
Chilitu.
Okay, now watch and hear me now. Zuoko. Voilà. Yes. Charity, what are you doing here? What? Eh?
What's that? You're wicked. You're very, very wicked.
It isn't wicked. We're talking me. Wasn't that wicked?
So you left me at home and came here to play games with your friend. Why are you like this, Osita? Why?
Okay, let me finish this one.
Okay.
Come in.
Hey! I should wait for you to finish your game.
Come in.
You lie, yo. Let's go home.
Be going, I'm coming.
Osita, let's go home now. Let's go home now. What are you doing? Let's go home now. Let's go home now.
I'll see you guys later, yeah? Let's go now. Let's go.
Opening now the hanging.
Hey, so this is what Osita has been passing through.
My brother, you have not even seen anything. This girl is so troublesome. She was the cause of Osita being sacked from his office. Yes. Every night, this girl will be disturbing Osita. Happy. Then in the morning, when Osita goes to the office, Osita will start sleeping like that. You understand? Every night, happy. Happy just your uncle. One name gas the office in the morning. Hey! One no, blue cross, yeah? Arrange, let's start from the beginning, please.
So my mother-in-law is behind my husband changing of mind. No wonder she's never bothered. Each time he beats me up.
Where have you been since yesterday? I'm talking to you. Where have you been since yesterday?
I went to see my mother.
Oh. So your mother lied to me. Is that it?
Do you expect her to tell you that I was in the house?
You're asking me? Eh? Now listen. Let this be the last time you will leave this house without my consent. Is that clear? God saved you. God saved you that you came back today. Nonsense. Yeah, you're telling you're not in the house. You left this house since yesterday and you switched your phone off. Try it again.
And this will be the last time we will scold him.
Bueno.
How did it go?
It went well, Mama.
Amen.
It went well. Uncle did as he said.
It's you.
Thank God. And I'm surprised.
Hey!
I have to contact someone that will survey the land. Survey my own portion.
Ozubo.
So I can start looking for buyer immediately.
Hey. I call over I call well Melwe. It's well. You're welcome.
God, everything went well.
Hey, Chineke, we hear you so well, man.
Hey, whoa. Hey.
Are you hungry? What is it?
Tummy is paining me. Oh, pains all over.
Your tummy.
Hey.
How come?
Call someone to bring water for me.
Nkechi. Biko, get water for your husband. Be fast about it, Biko. Can't keep at home. You didn't eat anything outside. Bring water.
Osi, what is it?
How they do you? Go to get drinking water. Water. Nkechi! Nkechi, where are you? Where would you go? No! Nkechi, you're there! Nkechi, where are you? Chimo! Osta!
I wonder what is happening. Eliza has never summoned me like this before. Well, let me get there. I know why she's calling me. Go. If
you say you don't want to rumble, they go show you better.
Chimo! Ishevu nanti anu Chineke mo for abula ya Jisu.
Elisa, what is happening? So, why are you crying?
My son is there, go inside and sit with your son.
Elisa, is this what you are passing through? Osita should be taken to the hospital before he dies here.
He will not die, please don't say that. Nothing will happen to my son. The son I have, nothing will happen to him.
Nothing will happen to him. Oh. Hey. Don't worry. I'm still waiting for nothing will happen to him.
Nothing.
Uncle, my husband no go die. I don't give him anti-poison, he go do alright. If you do mistake, carry and go hospital, he go buy from there.
Hey. Who taught you that?
My father. I don't know my father. A strong medicine man when he dey alive. Now when he don't die, very soon I go open shop. They cure all sort of sickness. Mama, make I go collect house and they come.
Elisa, you go to know Sandasis belief. You are allowing this small girl to deceive you with her herbal medicine. You will soon lose your son.
I'm not going to lose him.
I'm going. No,
she's not deceiving me.
If you like, don't take your son to the hospital. Wait there until this girl kills again.
Not called me up till now. I hope all is well. I'm supposed to have gotten a good news by now, according to what the prophet told me. What is really going on? I hope my daughter is safe. God help me.
Mama, Kachi, I was just talking about you. Mama, it's not working out for me.
It's not working out how?
Mike is still proving stubborn. He's still more concerned about his people. He does not even talk to me. Mommy, I don't want to lose my husband.
Is that why you are worried? Listen, is that why you are worried?
I don't want to lose my home. Mama.
You are a woman and you have a hidden power in you. Why not make use of it? He's a man.
Mama, you will not understand. I don't want to lose my husband.
I do.
I don't want to lose
your
husband. No, I don't want to lose my husband.
You know what? You know what? Come. There's something I want to tell you. Oh yeah.
If a man on your metamma on the rear, it may danger on the riggy. Wabu Sepuakananja. This world is God's own. If a man on your metamma on the rear, it may danger on the riggy. Wabu wachubu. In a famba, make if he get me. Because Sepuakananja, Wabu wachubu. If a man.
Mama,
you are doing it.
Yes.
I didn't even know you have knowledge of herbs at home.
Mama, nothing I don't know. I'll be jack of all trade.
Master of all of them.
Now my father, now my papa teach me. Though he no teach me everything before I die, but I still know.
You know the little one will teach you.
I know.
That's very good of you. Thank you so much.
Once I give her this final one now, by tomorrow, now dance you go begin dance.
Amen.
They jump around.
Amen. Hey.
Thank you,
Mama, I don't know what people are doing now. Osta should be taken to the hospital. Nkechi is not a doctor.
Mature nurses.
Mama, I've said my own.
Say your own.
Nkechi, let me tell you, if anything happens to my husband, I will not leave you. I will not leave you.
Where did he get me? Your husband is my son, my only child, for that matter, and nothing will happen to him. People when kill them, I will he pastor, he jabon mad, counterfeit. Don't mind her. Maybe he name own one.
Hey, I know they speak with cockroach. You get that
cockroach.
You know, say this thing they like doctor medicine. I need to know gauge. Yes. So if I talk to her, I no go know the gauge. You don't set. We can go give her money.
Hey!
Mike, I've put water for you to bathe.
Thank you.
What would you like to have for breakfast? Tea, or should I make pap? Mike.
Mike what now? Avoid me, oh. Avoid me. You get why?
Mike, I'm talking to you.
I said avoid me now. Please take these books inside. You don't want me to make my research.
Mike. You refused to eat my food last night. Is he going to do the same this morning? I think I should increase the quantity of the substance I applied in his bathing water. Yes, that's what I should do. You left the tea that I kept for you. And here you are eating your mother's food. Mike.
Hey. Namo. Should I bring more rice for you?
It's not enough for me.
Okay. Hey, yeah. I hope you're enjoying it. I know you will enjoy it. Mother's food is so special. Hey.
Mike.
Can you allow me enjoy this food in peace? It gets why.
Mike, you abandoned the breakfast I made for you. The same way you rejected the dinner. What is it? What have I done? Did I wrong you? If I've wronged you, I'm sorry, my love. Mike.
Michael. Mike is ruining.
Oster, talk to me. I'm your mother. What happened?
Mama, I'm confused. I can't even say what happened to me.
Did you eat anything when you went to your uncle's house?
Hey, Oster, is this you? Hey! Who am I seeing?
I'm the one.
I thank God though, nothing will happen to my son. I thank God Almighty that he used Nkechi to save his life.
Yeah, thank God indeed. Oh, this is unbelievable.
I was asking him before you just arrived. Where did you eat anything? Did you eat anything in anybody's house? Talk to us.
Osita, just tell us everything you know, everything you can remember of.
It was in Evie's house. Evie's my friend. I ate popon.
Hey!
Before I left for Uncle's place.
You ate popon in Evie's house? I said it. I said, okay, forgive. Elisa, I told you, there is no smoke without fire. Hey, Popo. Uncle Evis, Onya, let me go to Igwe. I'm going to Igwe. Igwe must hear this. Uncle Evis. Evis, he want to poison. He poisoned my own brother's son. It must be little you. Let me go.
We not go unpunished. If we matter no, Ijirisi Buru, Anasio Kene, Pona, Agama Wabo Kene, Wapuakanoku, Mazia Sitio Kene, Pona, Kagawasio Kene, Wapuakanoku, if a man.
Good morning. Good morning, Bukwageba. Every Sibonya run.
Ichi, when did this quarrel start?
It started this morning. But let me tell you something.
Honestly, I don't understand all this thing you're talking about.
You don't have it. You will understand it when I get to the Igwe's palace. Don't worry. Okay.
Ichi, I don't know where I've gone wrong. What did I do?
Please stop crying. I've told you this often and on. Stop crying.
Mama, what did I do to Mike? Why is Mike treating me like a slave?
You know that Mike is under a spell. He was not behaving like this before.
Mama, I cannot bear this any longer. Mama, the pain is too much. Mike does not even eat my food again. Mike has refused to eat my food. Mama, I'm alone in the house. I don't have anybody again. No.
Kaji, stop crying. You will keep trying. This is a battle you have to fight to win. You cannot lose hope. Banana.
Mama, you will not understand.
I do. I perfectly do because I'm a woman like you.
Mama, I've tried though. I've tried all I could do, Mama. I've tried though.
Keep trying. This is a battle you must fight to win. You are not going to lose hope. Banana.
Mama. It's people are not happy that it does not give me attention anymore.
It will not last forever.
You know how they used to treat me. Now how am I going to do?
It will not last forever.
It's just for a while. It's not against me. Oh. Mama, I might end up killing myself.
Killing yourself?
I don't want to lose my husband.
My daughter.
Mama.
You will not lose your husband. Keep trying. You must laugh and laugh at last. Did you hear me?
Mama.
Who is here? Osi.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, you've come to see if my son has died.
Mama, I don't understand what you're talking about. I only had what happened. I decided to come and COC.
The pawpaw you gave Osta to eat was poisoned by you.
Jesus Christ.
Inago?
The pawpaw that I gave Osta to eat. Osta, is that what you told your mother that I wasn't the boy I gave to you?
Elvis, that pawpaw was the only thing I ate that day. What has come over you?
I should be asking you. Why should I kill you, my only friend? Why? I can't do that.
Had it been my son died on that process, we wouldn't have known what happened. We told you we are for nothing.
Mama, my hands are clean. I did not poison any pawpaw. I did not. Osi, why will you tell your mother that now?
Why? No, pawpaw 7.
No, nothing. That's the only pawpaw that I have, and I shared it with you. Why will I kill you?
Start going.
My hands are clean though. I did not poison any pawpaw.
Hey!
Hey!
Start going.
Osta, talk to your mother now. I did not poison anything. You're my only friend. Why will I kill you?
So can you run? Stupid man. So you purposely want to kill Osta for me? The only child I have.
Mama, my hands are clean. I did not do anything. Hey!
Just imagine. Why you melon your ear?
Top of 7.
I've been telling you about this useless boy. Stop going to his house.
Mama, I wonder why Elvis won't kill my husband.
The Bible says the hearts of men are deceitful. If not for Idoko, your husband's brother, just look at me.
The whole thing, they surprised me.
Surprise over.
They surprised me.
This. Hey, Idoko, you're here.
Listen. Do you know that that boy called Elvis? He's a smooth criminal.
Oh, where?
Yes.
What happened?
When we got to Igwe's palace, he started denying again, even before the Igwe. So he was asked to swear to prove his innocence. I was watching at that stupid boy. He stood out. He wanted to swear. I want him. I want him not to. He swore.
Better. That serves him right. Let him face the consequences. Come on, now.
I saw Charity seated there. It appears that she's in labor.
No, Charity came.
Yes, now.
She did not tell us so.
She did not tell us.
Osita, come and take me out of here, Osita. Hey!
one you are shouting Oster, what is it? Oster has not recovered from his illness. He has not recovered from what happened to him.
Eliza,
it's okay.
Can't you see that she's in labor?
I know. That is not why she should be shouting.
Sit down.
No, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, sorry.
You wicked man, come and take me out from here. Take me out of here. Take me out of here. Oh. You are not bothered.
I'm bothered. That's why I'm here with you.
Hurry up. The hospital is very far from here.
Okay, fair. You are very wicked, man. You are very wicked. You put me in this condition, yet you are not bothered.
Don't worry. When we get to Softail Hospital, everything will be fine.
If you trouble him again, I'll tell him to sit down.
Formal breeze.
You are not being fair. Hurry up. The hospital is
Okay, fair. Hurry up. He's not being fair. Okay, fair. It's like I should go with them.
No, we can't go there. Osita is man enough to take care of that. I will go. Hi, Nico.
Nam, take it easy. Biko.
Had the work na she get them. She not send anybody. Even poison the fear. Getting yellow yama. Had the work na she get them. She not send anybody. Even poison the fear. After hustling and reach the house to rest here. On that no. A bullock on number. First wife adara now, second wife another country. First wife adara now, second wife another country. NK special, don't mind them.
NK, I'm just coming straight from the hospital. Charity has put to bed a bouncing baby boy.
Give me that. This one sweet me. That's the way they find things. God don't do it for you.
Exactly.
Why you can't dey squeeze face like aboki shit?
NK, please. I need some money so I can pay the hospital bill.
How that one take concern me? No be your wife she be. Go find money.
NK, I know it's not my wife, but please help me. I will pay you back. Oh? Mama top or something, man.
I no get money.
NK, no. How come? I'm your husband though. I'm your husband. Please help me. Obiko.
My husband?
Now
you know say you be my husband. Those times where they walk like rats, enter charity room, they collect something. You know say I be your wife. Like for you, na bitter leaf they decide. I be na bitter. This one na bitter cola, be bitter leaf. Come on for road, I beg. I no get money.
NK.
Excuse me, baby. Excuse me.
What is it?
I made your favorite egusi soup and target. Please, my love. I want you to...
What is it now? Say what you want to say. Don't touch me.
Please, I want you to start eating my food. If there's any way that I'm wrong with you, I'm sorry.
See, you said the food is inside, right? Leave it there.
Are you coming? Baby, are you coming now? Is he really going to eat it?
Kachi, where is my son? I am talking to you. Where is my son?
Mama, I don't know. By the way, why are you looking for him? Why can't you allow me enjoy my marriage?
And what was the meaning of that?
Mama, don't pretend as if you don't know.
Am I not a stumbling block to you? Huh?
Mama, allow me to enjoy my husband. Allow me to marry my husband. Hey, stop interfering.
Bia. What do you about? Mind the way you talk to me. I am not your mate. Did you hear that?
Your son. Not your fault now. Because we are living in the same house with you. Don't worry. One day, every hidden things must be revealed. Don't know why this woman will not allow me to have peace in this house. She will go and stop mine from eating the food.
Who?
Mama.
Oh, Mama, come in.
Ma'am, I have not seen you today. Always with your books. I hope all is well.
All is well. I have loads of paperwork I need to finish before done.
I know you must be hungry by now. Let me get your food.
I don't know. Kachi served this one.
I'll go see you. I need to see. My son, remember what I told you concerning eating Kachi's food? I don't trust that girl and her mother. No.
Are you saying I shouldn't eat this one?
That is exactly what I mean. That girl and her mother are up to something. You don't know if I need to.
Well, it's okay. Let me finish what I'm doing now. I'll know what to do.
Oh, okay. Inform me when you're done, eh?
Okay, Mama.
You be a drum man near Doyabao. Be a drum Mama.
I picked some oranges for you.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm sorry, I forgot the knife. Let me go get it.
The soup is nice though.
Huh? Thank you. You have not asked me about my mother all this while. Sorry.
How is she?
She has not been feeling fine.
What is wrong with her?
She has not been happy with you.
Why?
I'll tell you that when I get the knife. Thank you. Mama, why is she not picking her calls? She should pick her calls now, huh?
I am not comfortable with this girl's attitude recently. Get it gone, Izo. Eh? I have been observing her since she came back from her mother's place. There is something about her that gives me concern.
This world is gospel. If a man on your metamna on the river, it may tender on the river. What you in a fat if he can because
hey, Echekwamna, I don't know what is taking Pilosta. I thought he said that Charity has been discharged.
Mama, yeah? I don't they go.
You don't they go, babe? Have you called your husband to know what is holding him in the hospital?
How that one take concern me? My own be say I don't give him money. Money when go use settle the hospital bill.
You did?
Hey, Mama, one more thing. I beg. Help me beg your son. Make he give me my money back. Oh.
He will pay you back.
You know they go say I they make trouble. I go scatter person head. Make he give me my money back.
Hey, Buster. Charity. You're back. What happened?
Is the baby on the walker?
Charity. Osi. Where is my grandchild? What happened?
Oh, the baby died.
Which baby died? My grandchild. Hey!
She's the one. You are the one that killed my child.
Don't say that. This is an overstatement. Stop it. It's an overstatement.
Leave me alone.
Charity, stop it.
I do it.
Say anything like that.
I do it.
You killed my baby because you're jealous I had a child before you. Go to the hospital and carry his corpse. Go!
Now me should they talk to.
Charity, stop it.
Who killed your child?
You killed my child! You killed my child! And you will kill me the way you killed my child!
Leave me. Make I not use my hand. Send you where your son
Stop
go.
it, Charity.
Leave me.
Stop it.
Carry your wife. How she go to accuse me just like that?
Hey, my own grandchild.
Hey! Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hey, Oyilo Macha.
Leave me alone.
Hey. Hey, I don't miss you and I be to you, baby. Actually, why they were bothering me about hey, I can touch some neighbor. That musu.
Look at this.
Okay, your thing is my thing. I used my hard-earned money, married you. Eh?
Please, I don't want it.
Okay,
I beg. Don't go there. You they make me vex.
Okay, now.
You don't make me vex. Maybe people not say.
Congratulations. You owe the keke, right? I owe you. One way. Eh? Now, I'll put that keke to.
Maybe people not talk say. More people not talk say they insult my husband.
I'm congratulating with you.
No enter the keke, no automatic. You know Sabiam. Not only me.